Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off our swipe lock screen function in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. So right now we have our lock screen as a swipe, as you can see, but we can set up another one or delete this lock screen method. So where to look for it? First, settings. Then in settings we are looking for lock screen option, and here at the top we have lock screen type, and here we have, as you can see, a few options: pin, password, pattern, swipe, or none. So we can turn off our swipe lock screen if you want by selecting the none option, and now we have raw home screen. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.